Hey, so I'm going to show you how you can create folders on Spotify to organize your playlists. I have over 200, around 177 as you can see here, that I share with you. So I either have folders or I'm going to go crazy trying to find them. It's very easy. You just have to go to this area over here and right click and say create folder. Do you see the new folder that appears here? You rename it, say that you want to say that this is going to be a folder for milestones. So you say BTS to 100 million, for instance, and you click out of there. And now you can move this and put it wherever you want. You can also insert, you can rename it because you made a mistake or you want to change it. You can insert emojis if you want to. And what you can do as well is you can take any playlist and then drag it and put it inside the new folder. And or take it out of there. This is as easy as whatever you would do on a computer. The same thing on a computer, you could make subfolders. So if you right click on the folder and you say new folder, there you go. You have a new subfolder that you can rename, and you can move around and drag and do everything that I've shown you. And if you make a mistake, like the ones that I've created here for you just to show you, you can just delete them. Right click, delete, and it's gone. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy your streaming.